Good morning, everyone. This is Farman Ali, and today I have to discuss about conjunction. So, it is one of the part of the speech in English that plays an important role whenever we write or speak something. Now, come to the definition. That what does it say? So, you can see in this definition what is written here. A conjunction is a joining word. We use conjunctions to join two words, phrases, or clauses together to make one long sentence. So it means it is a kind of linker or the connector, means junction. So as we know okay, that at junction that train comes and then thereafter that it goes to the another station also. So it is a kind of junction where different tracks meet. So similarly इसी तरीके से आपका क्या होता है that we have to join two words and these two words can be verbs, noun even, and pronouns also, and sometimes adjectives also. So आप you can join any two words है ना, तो आपका it can be any part of the speech sometimes. So now you have to come to the phrase. So phrase is a group of words as we know. So we have to join sometimes the two phrases also, and we join two sentences also, so that we can make it short also. If there are two sentences, if you want to make it a one sentence only, so we have to use these kind of conjunctions so that we can make a single sentence. Next come to the kinds of the conjunctions. So there are three types of conjunctions as you can see here. So conjunction is divided into three, so that is coordinating conjunctions, second subordinating conjunctions, and third is correlative conjunctions. So in this way we have divided different conjunctions in three categories, so it will be easy for us to understand also. So now we will talk about these three conjunctions one by one. Firstly we will discuss about coordinating conjunctions. So this type of conjunctions connects two words or the phrases and the clauses. So these different kind of words or the sentences, they will have a equal rank. It means that one is not dependent on the other, so both are independent clause also or words also. So in this way that we have to join two sentences, and there are different coordinating conjunctions which we use generally, and these are very common coordinating conjunctions. And there is one acronym which is made here, that is fan boys. So fan boys जो है आपका ये acronym है आपका, so by this we can make it short also to learn very easily. So F stands for A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So these are the 7 letters which are used in sentences or the words or the phrase. So now you can see the how we can use and. So and means that there are the two verbs which we can use, like that he likes playing cricket and listening music. So that they are the two nouns which are added by this. So in this way that both have equal rank, and that person is doing two things and they have equal importance. So in this way we can see that sentences are of equal rank, so there is no one which is dependent on the other. You can look here that independent clause plus coordinating conjunction plus independent clause, so that we are adding two independent clauses by using this conjunction in between. So see the example in this, that I love chocolate but I hate desserts. So it means that the person ठीक है is loving one thing, that is chocolate, so that is very independent, and I hate desserts, so it means there is another sentence which is not dependent on the first one. So there is no relation between these two sentences, so it means they both are independent clauses, and these are added by using but, which show the opposite independent clause. I take one more example. When we have different things and we want to make one sentence, so by using comma and the conjunction means that coordinating conjunction, we can make a one sentence. Like if I say that I love biscuits, I love toffees, I love chocolates. सो दीज ऑल डिफरेंट चॉकलेट्स एंड बिस्किट्स एंड जो भी चीज़ें हैं आपका, so we can join them in one sentence only by putting comma, and in the last we have to use the conjunction. Now come to the next, that is subordinating conjunction. So subordinate means that one is dependent on the other, and as we know that there are some juniors and the seniors in the offices, so that junior is dependent on the senior for further process. So similarly that there are some tenses, or we can say the clauses or the words that are dependent on the other. So in this, that one will be independent clause, तो एक जो आपका sentence होगा वो आपका dependent होगा, and another will be independent. So that we add these one dependent and independent by using a conjunction, and that conjunction is subordinating conjunction. And subordinating conjunction comes before the dependent clause, but the dependent clause itself can be placed either ahead or of following the independent clause. So what does it mean? That we can put dependent clause after the कंजक्शन. तो आपका जो डिपेंडेंट आपका क्लॉज होता है, जो पार्ट होता है सेंटेंस का, सो इट कैन बी पुट ओनली आफ्टर द कंजक्शन, but the independent clause can be put anywhere. So it can be put before the conjunction also, it can be put after the conjunction. तो इसको दोनों है ना जगह रखा जा सकता है. आपका कंजंक्शन से आपका पहले भी रखा जा सकता है, और it can be put after the conjunction also. Now you can see there are some conjunctions which come in the category of subordinating conjunctions. So these are after, although, as soon as, because, before. So you can see the first one, like after. Soon after moving to London, she got a new job. So in this you can see that they are using a conjunction that is after, but that after you can see that how did she get a job. So उसको जो जॉब मिली आपको वो कैसे मिली आपका. सो इफ़ शी वुड नॉट मूव टू अ लंडन, अगर वो लंदन मूव नहीं करती है आपका, सो शी वुड नॉट गेट एनी काइंड ऑफ जॉब. सो इट मीन्स दैट मूविंग टू लंदन इज़ द independent clause, and getting a job, that is the dependent clause. So that subordinating conjunctions sometimes come in the starting also and in the between also. So it means that what we have to understand, that if there is a need of cause and effect relationship, अगर cause and effect relationship की conditions होती है आपका, so on that basis we have to just see that which conjunction we have to use. So you can see in the because that we cannot go to Julia's party because we are going away that weekend. So you can see that independent clause is coming after because ना, तो वी आर गोइंग अवे दैट वीकेंड. सो बिकॉज है ना, ये कंडीशन है आपका, इसकी वजह से आपका क्या है, वो जा नहीं सकते आपका. सो इट मीन्स दैट इमिडिएट क्लॉज कैन बी पुट, ठीक है, इन एनी सिचुएशन. Now come to the correlative conjunctions. So in correlative conjunctions, that they are used in pairs. So you can see that there are some conjunctions which are given, and two words are given in every conjunction. So like both and, either or, so as, not only, but also. So these two conjunctions are used together in a sentence. We cannot use alone, मीन्स हम एक से एक को नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लाइक आई कैन नॉट यूज़ बोथ ओनली, नाइदर आई कैन यूज़ आइदर ओनली. तो इट मीन्स दैट वी हैव टू यूज़ दैम together in a sentence if we want to make the use of. Now take some more examples, like I will make some sentence by using these correlative conjunction, like not only but also. He not only like banana but also mangoes. So it means that I am using both simultaneously. Take one more also, either or. So either Ram or Sham can attend the party. Now take the another one also, that neither nor. So neither he nor she will go to meet him. So in this way you can see that I am using two words simultaneously, means together in the sentence. I hope you have understood this part, that is conjunction. So thank you so much. If you have liked it, so please subscribe and share my channel.